What's up, guys? In this tutorial, we'll connect Notion to GitHub using Integrately. Perfect for turning notes or tasks into GitHub issues without doing it manually. First, head over to integrately.com, then log into your Integrately account. To get started, search for and select Notion as your first app. Then, search for and choose GitHub as your second. From the list of available one-click automations, find Create Notion Database Item from New GitHub Issue and click Activate. First, you'll need to connect your GitHub account. After that, connect your Notion account, making sure to grant access to the correct pages. Next, in the Search Item step, select the specific database you want to use from the drop-down menu and click Continue. In the Automation Builder, you'll need to map the required fields. For this example, map the project name using data from the GitHub issue and set the priority to High. Finally, click the Test and Turn On toggle to activate your automation. You will see a confirmation that your process is now live. And there it is, Notion to GitHub sorted with Integrately. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and grab the link from the description.